respond to that. I go.
Amen.
So it goes like this. That was 1827. That a hunter went to the bush to search for bushmeat. So on his way, he met two of the monarch monkeys and two of the black and white colobus. So among the monkeys, there was a shrine. And immediately the man saw the monkeys, they ran away and left the shrine. And the man went for it and then brought to the village. And the next morning, the monkeys were then present at the village. So what they did is that they consulted an oracle to know the outcomes of the monkeys. So they then consulted the priest and they were told by him that the monkeys are the case of the thing that they brought to the village. So if they want the monkeys, they should stay with the shrine that they brought to the village. And if they don't want them, they should return it to where they pick it. The monkeys should go. So the people decided to stay with the monkeys, and the priest told them that since the monkeys are the case of the thing that they brought to the village, no one is allowed to kill them. They should treat them as we treat our fellow people. And when they give any punishment to the monkey, they're also going to get the same punishment. And also when they kill it, the same procedure that they used to kill the monkey, they're also going to get the same thing before they also die. So that's the sacredness of the monkey.
That's the story.
Yeah, that's
okay.
Thank you for sharing.
And one thing is that most of the time when people come here, they also move with different stories.
Yeah, exactly.
Yeah. So they say that they were monkeys. The people were monkeys.
Yes.
They were human beings.
Yeah.
And then they went for war, and through the war they turned them into monkeys so that the opponents will never see them.
Exactly.
And through the war, and the priest got died, so he was unable to
Change them back.
Yeah, it's not true.
Okay.
I like that story. I like that story. That one sounds more logical.
So that one.
It's a great story.
So the actual one is the one that I
The
give.
lesson. The other one is the urban legend. Yeah, the urban legend. But it's a good movie line.
Hey, right?
That's a good movie, right? That's the one I want to talk about. Back there.